Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a gorgeous 1989 Dodge Ramcharger four-wheel drive killer truck, guys. I love these things. I have been hard hunting these things for about 2 years. Very tough to find, especially clean. Always love the look of these. Of course, you guys know I love Mopars. I think these things are awesome looking. They're so much fun to drive, and honestly, I was just tickled to get this one. Factory Garnet red. I believe this truck has got the original paint still on it. I think this has been one of these vehicles that has been just super well maintained its whole life. Like I say, factory two-tone. It's got the garnet red with the gray at the bottom or silver at the bottom. It's got the factory red interior. It has been lifted. It's got a little lift kit on it, not much. It's a, I'll have to look it up. I can't remember the name of the lift kit on it. And it does have aftermarket wheels. It's got Pro Comp wheels and General Grabber tires on it. But truck is pretty much original other than that. Again, you look at the paint, this truck has just been super well maintained. You know, they might have done some paint, but I can't find it. I mean, I think this car is all original paint. And other than a couple little pecks, very, very nice. Of course, all this stuff's original. And as you walk around this thing, it's gorgeous. Somebody has really kept this truck nice. Original bumpers still on it, original bumperettes. Sorry, my guys, missed some little water spots on there. Really hits the road good. Of course, it's got that iconic ram head on it, which everybody loves. Again, you can see this stuff's original, and you can pick at that a little bit. Dual chrome mirrors. You can see up top, it's got that little pop-out window at the top. It's functional. Hopefully you can hear me. It's got the pop-out top there and the back there that's original, and it does work. Paint is very nice on this truck. Everything there you can see. Clean CarFax, no accident history or anything like that. It's actually just been serviced. AC was just serviced at a new car dealership. It's got the trailering package on it. Look how nice that truck is. Very, very nice. .5 Pro Comp wheels, again, General Grabber AT2 tires. Factory front disc brakes. Original 5.2 liter, 318 cubic inches what they were, fuel injected, factory jack with spares in here. You can see all this stuff's completely original. Truck's always been maintained and serviced at the dealerships. Power steering, power disc brakes, air again, just gone through. 727 Torqueflite automatic transmission. All your factory stickers are all still in place. I think it's clean as can be. Original door handles. The door seams are nice and clean. Interior is beautiful. I do have new floor mats on the way. I think that carpet's original. Again, your door stickers are all in place. This stuff is, these captain seats are very nice. Tilt column, cruise, factory steering wheel. And look how nice the gauge cluster is showing. It's 101,519. That's the mileage on it, original mileage on the truck. They have put an aftermarket sound system in it, and again, it does have the trailing system on it. But look how nice that dash is. No fade in the dash. I mean, it's just beautiful. Okay, it's got your little porthole in the back. Headliner looks great. I mean, just a killer truck. Stock exhaust system in it, stock rear axle. I think it's a 270 rear axle. These will kind of need a little help, but it'll stay up kind of if you let it just sit there. You got to watch because we got the wind blowing up here. But again, this is all original in here. Spares in here. Again, that little portal works. Look how nice it is. The truck's just clean as can be. Little hole in your inside light there. Again, very, very nice truck. Everything opens and closes real nice. I think we got one light out. That's a reverse light. We got a bulb on the way for it. Clean as can be underneath. That's just a great truck. Yeah, seats are very nice. Rear seats in great shape. I mean, it is just turnkey, ready to cruise. I think I said I got the mats on the way. Original door handles. Great truck, man. All your gauges are functional. Good oil pressure. Fits great. I mean, one reverse bulb out on the driver's side, but we'll correct that.
I can do it with a broken heart.
Radio works, of course, blower motor works, four-wheel drive function properly. Great truck, man. Great truck. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram page, our Facebook page, our TikTok page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking a little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video, guys. You can also subscribe to our Southern Motors now. Another great way to keep track of us. Have a great day, guys.